Here's the review for June 20th. Today we started with reviewing chord diagrams, which we touched on a little bit last week. This is a chord diagram. It has 6 lines representing the 6 strings. So basically what it is this. So here's your 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret. Now what we're looking at here is a G chord, and what these dots are telling you to do is where to put your fingers, and these circles represent open strings. So what we have here is the 3rd fret, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, open string, open string, open, open, 3rd again, whoops. So here's our G chord, all at the same time. So one more time, here's the 3rd fret, 1, 2, 3, open, 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 3rd. All at the same time, that's our G chord. So now wherever you put, if we had something like this maybe, that would look 4th fret. That would look like something like this. 3rd, 4th, open, 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 open. And this would be erased. Weird sounding chord, but that's just what it looks like. So we took that, tried to put it in with some rests and things like that. And then we talked about guitar tablature, which looks like this, and again it's 6 lines representing each one of the strings. It can be confusing because it's upside down, so this is our E string that we learned. So it's actually like this. And now this has only numbers on lines. So when we have 0, that means to play this string open, or we'd play it like this, right? Now if we add the number 2, that means we find the 2nd fret, 1, 2, on that same string, and that would look like this, right? So if we have this, here's the 1st line of Happy Birthday. So the thing that is important is not to confuse it with this. This has 5 lines. This has 6 lines. So this note is actually this, what we already learned, the E. So if you don't see a treble clef, you don't confuse the two, because that can be a problem. It can be, so this is not this. These are not the same thing. That's a 0, that's a whole note F, right? So this is this. Something like this would be that. So if it doesn't have a treble clef, you got to make sure to count the lines, things like that. So if you look on the internet, you should be able to find guitar tabs to any of your favorite songs. And we'll end the class with playing a little piece, everybody performing something. So see you then.